guys, welcome sa panibago na naman vlog. At sa video na to, i-share ko nga pala sa inyo yung computer na binili ko sa ECPC North EDSA. Bali, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung parts, specs, and prices para may reference and idea kayo in case na magbi-build din kayo ng sarili nyong computer. And ito nga pala ay system unit only. Ibig sabihin, wala pa dito yung ibang components kagaya ng monitor, keyboard, mouse, AVR at iba pa. And yung total price nga pala na inabot nito is 74,318. And yun yung i-breakdown natin sa video na to. Okay, so dito muna tayo sa processor. So yung processor natin is AMD Ryzen 5 3600X. And yung price nito is 13,500. So yung motherboard naman natin is MSI Mag B550 mortar socket. And yung price nito is 8,995. And yung GPU or yung graphics card naman natin is Palit RTX 2060 Super Dual Fan 8GB. And yung price nito is 20,129. And yung RAM natin is 32GB G-Skill Trident Z Neo. And yung price nito is 10,190. So sa storage naman, yung storage one natin is Samsung 860 EVO SSD 250GB and yung price niya is 2,735. And then yung secondary storage naman natin is Western Digital 2TB hard disk drive blue. Yung price niya is 3,075. So sa power supply naman is RaidMax 800 watts and yung price niya is 4,800. And then yung cost ng Windows 10 Home operating system is 6,395. And then yung additional case fan Dark Flash DR12 Pro, yung price niya is 1,250. And then yung PC assembly nga pala is may bayad din, 250. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video and hopefully nagkaroon kayo ng idea sa mga parts, specs, and prices ng computer build.